Al Skinner, class of '74. Well, yeah, I mean, I enjoy being back. The nice thing about it is that, you know, there's still some people around that was here when I was here. Obviously, we were talking about some years ago. The Mullen Center is a great facility, but I played back in the cage, so when I walk into this building, it's all new. But definitely the campus has grown a lot since I've been here, but I think the university itself is in tremendous shape, and the program, you know, looks like it's on the rise. It looks like it's going to bounce back again. Those days, you play the Providences and the UConns every year, so all those games were battles in the Yankee Conference with Rhode Island. Those were battles. So those are the games that you really remember. And the cage was always a very special place to play in. When I left UMass, I got drafted and played professionally for a few years, and played in Europe for a couple of years. For a total of about 9 years, I continued to play, and then I got into coaching, and I was head coach the last few years. I was at URI for 9 as a head coach and 13 at BC, and had success at both those places. Second all-time winningest coach at Rhode Island, all-time leadingest coach at Boston College. So I had a lot of success, and hope to get back in and continue some of the success that I've had.
Al Skinner is one of only 4 UMass players ever to have his number retired. He joins Trigger Burke, Lou Rowe, and the great Julius Erving. Al told us that he wanted to get back into coaching, and we certainly hope he does very soon. It's great to catch up with Coach Skinner.